Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making Dalgona coffee. So this coffee started in Korea and was internet famous, and then it spread to TikTok and Instagram and is blowing the internet up. For this we will be needing 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon coffee, and 1 tablespoon of water and milk to serve it with. So I'm using the Nescafe Gold coffee. For this coffee, you can use any instant coffee. And you can use any sugar, brown sugar or white sugar. So now we're just gonna whisk this. Traditionally, the Koreans were saying that they whisk this for 400 times until it's nice and fluffy. So that's why it's also called the cloud coffee. So I'm just gonna whisk this, and I've been beating this for about 5 to 7 minutes now, and I haven't still gotten the fluffy result as I want. So I'm going to go in and use this hand beater. All the air will be captured into the So now that this is done, I know that this is done because when I'm taking it, it's forming ribbons on the in the bowl. So I'm just going to put some on top of the milk. And it should just be able to sit on top of it. So I'm just going to scrape out the rest. So now this is done, it should look like this. You can see there's a layer of the coffee mix that we just made and some milk at the bottom. I would not recommend taking foam and eating it directly because it's highly caffeinated. So I'm just going to mix some in the milk. And I'm just going to take a sip now. It's really good. Like the bitterness from the milk and then the strong caffeinated taste. It brings together a lot of good flavors. So I would highly recommend this, especially in quarantine. It's a good thing to do if in the morning and if you're bored. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!